Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Here we go. So, what about Sicilian dragon? What do you know, all the theory and stuff? If I play with... okay, let's carry this on. It seems to be a theoretical debate at the moment. So everyone knows this, huh? This position. Alright, G4 instead of H4. Try and drum up some play. Some counterplay. It's not just win a piece almost. Let's think about it. Doesn't the knight move and I win c3? I thought about it. He's on my queen. No, not so easy. If I move the queen back, it takes here. Again, there's knight. The knight's a problem. The queen back. Just gonna go knight a3. This doesn't look too clever now. Knight c7. I'll take her. There's quite a lot of forcing moves in this game. Am I getting mashed? I assume I am. Knight takes queen b8. Bishop takes. Okay, let's go here. There's a5. This is getting pretty nasty, huh? Take her. Still his king's behind this lot, so surely there's something going on in my favour. This diagonal seems still quite functional. I mean, it's a nice bishop at the moment. Just been like doing another exchange sack just to sort of get rid of this guy. As rook takes, as queen takes. I'm going to do this. Is he going to take? No. This could be a problem. A bad problem. Wanted him to take that exchange. He's not doing it. Whoa. It doesn't look nice. I'll try. Don't know what I can try here. I'll try this. For bishop f5, I don't know. He's taming the dragon. It's pretty tamed. I can take. What if I move the rook back? If he's not going to take. Okay. Two exchanges down, but I think I've got something to play with. I hope. Queen b4, queen a3, for example. So queen b4 takes queen a3. Is that at all dangerous? I'm hoping it is. Queen a5 as well. I'll play this. So queen a1. Alright, I'm on the rook. He takes that. My bishop's kind of embarrassed here. If I let him take here, check. I wonder this position for Queen E1. It's blotting out my pressure quite systematically. Thought the dragon was more fun than this. Well, it's a little bit of fun anyway.
Check.
Maybe extinguished. The fun has been extinguished. Bishop G5 for Queen C1. I'll try Bishop G5 to try and mate here, or Queen E2 is more effective. Rook D2. A little bit of a problem there. Queen B1 check and then Bishop F6. Well, the bishop seems to be working well with the queen, if nothing else. Queen doesn't look correct on there. King B2, Queen C1 is mate. Queen B2, Queen E2 looks as though there's a problem there. Well, isn't that mate?
Checkmate.
Yeah, that was a fun one. It was to unsound. Hands up, like in tennis. Luck unsounds. Yes, it was unsound. You normally put the hands up in tennis. Whoops, hold on. It was one of those spam phone calls, no cool idea. I think call later. Let's see. B3, huh? It's mentioned. A4, yes, why not? Engine likes his play. 95. Yep, engine likes his play. Does it even come up with knight? Yeah, no, knight takes F6. Might have been better. Engine doesn't like his play here. Knight takes.
Check.
Knight C7, maybe that's better. So yes, I'm being really stuffed like a turkey at the moment. And he's dominated that queen side. I shouldn't have anything, should I? I'm trying to emphasize this bishop. He doesn't take it. The engine does just take it. And laughs. The way he's done it is pretty convincing. Takes now, yes, +5. Mild threats to deal with at the moment. So the rook going back to E2 is mentioned. And I probably have got nothing, absolutely nothing.
Check.
And here I've probably got nothing. Okay, he needs to find an accurate move here. It seems to be, okay, Queen B2 does stop Queen C1 mate. It's got that going for it.
Check.
Ah, give up the rook. The engine's saying give up the rook.
Check.
Get the king to A2 and then there's nothing. That's enough to win. Yeah, I think let's have a look at this position. So he has to give up the rook, does he? It's a bit tricky otherwise, this position, if he doesn't give up the rook. Here, it's amazing for free. Yes, I thought that was dangerous.
Checkmate.
Here is Queen C1 checkmate, as we mentioned, as the game continuation. There aren't too many moves apart from Queen B2, it seems. Here, mate and free, we just covered that. Alright, so yeah, interesting. Okay, he had to play precisely, giving up a rook, it seems, but then he'll be miles better if he gives up the rook.
Check.
So get your king to safety. Is the principle maybe. Get the king to safety, and then you don't have to worry too much. And that also stops Bishop F6. If he doesn't stop Bishop F6, I wonder if accuracy is needed here. Bishop F6 is again tricky, probably. Or not. Not particularly. I don't know. I mean, it seems as though the queen and bishop are still working together. If he took here, is there a problem?
Check.
I think they're still working together.
Check.
Alright, maybe the king's escaping. Okay. Comments or questions on YouTube? Thanks so much.